Welcome to the best picks. The best soap pump replacement is probably one of the most frustrating yet essential repairs you'll ever undertake, especially when your favorite soap dispenser suddenly stops working. This video will guide you through the process of identifying the right replacement pump for your specific soap dispenser, comparing different types of pumps available on the market, and providing step-by-step instructions on how to install the new pump quickly and efficiently, ensuring your soap dispenser is back in action in no time. We will also explore some of the common causes of soap dispenser pump failure to help you prevent future issues. Number 5. Kapitan soap pump head. Give your old soap dispenser a stylish and functional upgrade. It's easy to install and will make your bathroom look great. This pump head is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's resistant to corrosion and built to last. Enjoy its strength and durability for years to come. The brushed finish is not only beautiful but also helps to resist fingerprints, keeping your dispenser looking clean and modern. It's designed to fit standard 28-400 bottles with a neck size between 26mm and 28mm. Installation is quick and simple. It works perfectly with various bottles, plastic, glass, ceramic, or metal. It's also ideal for soap, lotion, or cleanser dispensers. The tube is 22 centimeters long, easily trimmed to fit your dispenser. Enjoy a seamless and effortless upgrade. What we like? It's made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring its durability and a stylish look. If you prioritize longevity and a sleek design for your soap dispenser, this is the perfect choice. This pump is suitable for most standard-sized bottles, making it a versatile option for various dispensers. What people say. Quality-made product. Works well. Attractive design. Fits well in holder. Nice having extra hose. It fit the dispensers we have with no problem. So far they are both working well. These seem to be better quality than what comes with the dispensers. Not only does my soap dispenser look even better, but it technically functions much better. Also matches the brushed nickel finish nicely to the faucets I have. The pump looks quality, feels quality as you pump. I love how it comes with 2 different sized straw tubes so you can customize to a specific length depending on your dispenser size. Number 4. Suanti soap pump dispenser. This dispenser is made of high-quality ABS plastic and stainless steel, ensuring durability and a smooth dispensing experience. It's designed to fit wide-mouth bottles with a 1.3-inch thread. Before you buy, double-check your bottle's thread size. It's crucial for a proper fit and leak-free performance. Simply trim the tube if it's too long. Rigorous testing proves it's leak-proof and rust-resistant. It's built to last and dispense various liquids smoothly and reliably. Its elegant chrome gold finish adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom or kitchen. It transforms ordinary bottles into stylish accents. The glossy chrome finish ensures it stays stylish for years to come. You might need to pump it several times initially to remove air from the pump and tube. What we like? This pump is designed for wider mouth bottles and is made of rust-proof materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you have a wide-mouth bottle and want a stylish, leak-proof pump, this is ideal. Its unique design will add a touch of elegance to your bathroom or kitchen. What people say. Dispensers all work smoothly and look beautiful. These bottles are good quality and work great for the purpose I bought them. They are also very stylish in my black and white bathroom. This is actually a great size and the glass container and pump assembly is very attractive. Number 3. Easy Tang durable pump heads. Tired of flimsy plastic pumps? It's time for an upgrade. These durable stainless steel pumps will last for years. These aren't your average soap pumps. They're made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring rust-proof performance. With a smooth, 2 cubic centimeters pump core, it dispenses just the right amount of soap every time. No more messy drips or clogs. Each set includes 2 stainless steel pumps, 2 tubes, a bottle brush, and a collapsible funnel, everything you need for easy installation. They're designed to fit standard-sized bottles, making them a perfect replacement for your old pumps. We're so confident in its quality that we offer a 100% money-back guarantee within 90 days of purchase. What we like? This product offers a 2-pack of durable stainless steel pumps, perfect for multiple dispensers. If you need a reliable and affordable solution for multiple soap dispensers, this is a great option. The standard size ensures compatibility with most bottles. What people say. The glass is a nice weight and a very pretty color. Pump itself is metal, not plastic, and as others have mentioned, the piece that draws the contents goes all the way to the bottom of the glass. It works very smoothly and is perfect for what I wanted. It came with the two items you see pictured, the little round gray thing and a cleaning brush. The brush I identified easily enough, but the round gray thing had me puzzled. Finally realized it looked like I could set it on top of the glass and use it to help get lotion into the dispenser. That's when I discovered it was a collapsible funnel. It made filling with lotion the easiest I've ever done, and now I should be able to just about completely empty those plastic bottles that otherwise don't. The new pump looks great and works effortlessly. I love that it also includes a very small brush to clean out the draw tube. The funnel is a nice bonus as well. Number 2. Stainless steel soap pumps. Tired of flimsy plastic pumps? These are made of durable stainless steel, built to last for years. Get 2 high-quality pumps in one pack. Each one delivers a perfect amount of soap or lotion every time. It features a strong internal spring and glass ball for smooth, consistent dispensing. You'll never have to worry about it breaking. They come with 9-inch tubes that you can easily trim to fit your bottles. Installation is a breeze. Use it for lotions, soaps, shampoos, and more. It's versatile enough for home, office, or even industrial use. It fits most standard bottles. Just check if your bottle cap fits a 2-liter soda bottle. If it does, this pump will work perfectly. What we like? Get 2 high-quality, long-lasting pumps in one pack, saving you money in the long run. If you need durable pumps for multiple dispensers and want value for your money, this is a smart choice. These pumps fit most standard-sized bottles. What people say. Worked great. Only had to trim the length of the tube and it fitted great with my old soap dispensers. Brushed nickel. This pump is working out great. I like the fact that it has smooth pump action, and there it is, a 2-pack. The fit around the neck of the bottle is perfect. These were easy to set up and fit perfectly on my standard-sized soap dispensers. I have only had them for a few weeks, but they are working as well, if not better, than the originals. Their neutral tone works well with my 3 different colored dispensers. Number 1. Soap dispenser pump. Give your soap dispenser a stylish and functional upgrade. This heavy-duty pump is built to last and will add a touch of elegance to your bathroom or kitchen. It's made of durable oil-rubbed bronze metal with a see-through base, so you can see the inner workings. The elegant design will complement any decor. Installation is a breeze. It includes a collar ring and a 9-inch tube that can be easily trimmed to fit your bottle. Just remember to cut at an angle. Before purchasing, ensure it's compatible with your bottle. It's designed for 28-400 bottles, fitting many common soap, lotion, and liquor bottles. It's ideal for refillable bottles of hand soap, lotion, dish soap, and more. Reduce waste and enjoy a more sustainable solution. This pump offers an elegant, high-quality design built to withstand daily use. It will add a touch of class to your bathroom or kitchen. It fits perfectly on various bottles, including Cornhuskers lotion bottles, Boston round bottles, and certain liquor bottles with a 28mm neck. Check your bottle size to ensure compatibility. What we like? This heavy-duty pump features a stylish oil-rubbed bronze finish and is built to last. If you appreciate quality and want an elegant look for your dispenser, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a premium feel and long-lasting performance. What people say. Fit my soap dispenser perfectly, looks nice, and now my soap dispenser works nicely again. It also came with an adapter for narrower thread opening, but I didn't need it, but appreciated having it in the package just in case. I like that it doesn't look like a cheap replacement pump. Seem as though they will last a long time, again doesn't appear cheap. I've been using these for almost 2 years now with my favorite Clean Cult liquid hand soap and no problems, no signs of rust at all. I used these with vintage zinc canning jar lids to make my soap jars. I love them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.